Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The Ethereum chart is still in the same structure, so still this sort of ongoing sideways correction. Bitcoin's chart is much more interesting because on the Bitcoin chart we've seen a potential 5-wave advance, obviously here from the Thursday low to the high that was also formed on Thursday, then a pullback into a micro support area, and maybe this is now the next wave up, which could be wave C of 2 in the white count, or the third wave in yellow. But bottom line is we had a support zone here, price reacted, another one here, price is reacting. Now on the Ethereum chart, this is much more, well, messy, because on this chart, looking at the micro patterns, here on this chart, we're discussing, and we have to deal with the question if the larger degree fourth wave already bottomed on the 13th of April, or if we get one more low as per the white count, which would just be a reset of this wave 4 a little bit lower. And I can tell you that it's tricky, especially here on the Bitcoin chart. We at least have a 5-wave move up from yesterday's lows. So I'm going to zoom in a minute and take a look at this. But overall, also here, we said we give the yellow count a chance. We give the bulls the benefit of the doubt, but the probabilities are fairly balanced because we're still ranging. But we're holding above micro support. So the problem is on this chart that from the 13th of April low, this rally was not impulsive. It's a 3-wave rally. So we can say we give it the benefit of the doubt. We can follow that bullish count that the low is in, but be aware that below $2,952, this will become far less likely. And if we then see a break below the red line at 2,865, even less likely. And the formal invalidation point is then down here. That's the low of the 13th of April. The problem is whenever we don't have a 5-wave advance, probabilities are just extremely balanced. And yeah, then it's typically not wise to be too aggressive in trading. It's just the range at the moment. Now, looking at the price structure, then we can say this was a 1-2 setup, bit of a hopium count. This could have been an A wave up, B wave down, and now the C wave up. This is then 1, 2, 3. So ABC in wave 3, because it's a diagonal pattern. Okay, that's what the wave 1 was, an ABC structure as well. Then we could get a 4 and a 5, which would also be an ABC structure. That's sort of what we are tracking there at the moment on the chart, as long as we're holding support. Below 2,952, I would have to assume that in the white count, that B wave already formed the top. So basically A wave down, B wave up in 3 waves. It's a corrective structure. And then the C wave down would follow. It's a bit ambiguous. Looking at the shorter time frame count, I really have difficulties to call that a 5-wave move. That's not clearly bullish. So yeah, I can't really say this looks in any way impressive. Bitcoin's was a bit more interesting. This here is a corrective move, so I cannot really confidently highlight that the B wave bottomed. It might have, would be further confirmed with a break above the Thursday high at 3,192, but there isn't anything I would label here. This is just not clear yet. Yeah, I could put some labels here, but it wouldn't have any benefit. It's a 3-wave rally. That C wave could turn into anything like an ending diagonal, so we leave that open for now. The support area remains relevant, and it would be a good bullish, let's say, confirmation if the price could break above the Wednesday high here at around 3,291. First indication that a low of sorts is in place would be a break above 3,191, but overall, nothing really exciting here. Nothing really to add, unfortunately. The support area is clear, parameters are clear, and really, the price can really only confirm that a low was made on the 13th of April if all 5 waves are filled in, and 5 waves need to form and break above 3,773. So I need to see 5 waves reach the 1.618 extension. That's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.